Ever wondered how McDonald's French fries stay crispy, golden, and perfectly shaped every single time? Today we're taking you inside the mega factories where millions of fries are processed with cutting-edge technology. Stick around because what happens behind the scenes will blow your mind. And hey, if you love learning about amazing food processes, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a video. Picking the perfect potato. Everything starts with the potato, but not just any potato can make the cut. McDonald's specifically chooses russet Burbank potatoes, known for their fluffy interior and firm exterior, which makes them ideal for frying. These potatoes aren't just tasty, they're durable enough to maintain their shape and texture even when millions are cooked in huge batches. That's why, whether you're grabbing fries in New York, London, or Tokyo, they look and taste consistently perfect. The conditions in which these potatoes grow are just as important. In the United States, areas like Idaho and Washington provide ideal soil and climate, giving russet Burbank potatoes their signature quality. Most McDonald's suppliers source locally to ensure the potatoes are fresh and top-notch. When harvest time comes, heavy-duty machines dig up the potatoes, clean off the dirt, and separate the best from the rest. Each potato is carefully inspected to make sure only the highest quality spuds go on to the next stage. McDonald's uses roughly 9 million pounds of potatoes every single day. That's about 450 Olympic-sized swimming pools filled with fries each year. To make sure none go to waste, all potatoes are processed within 15 days, keeping them fresh and ready to become those crispy, golden fries we all love. Washing and peeling. Once the potatoes arrive at the factory, they go through an intense cleaning process. They're tossed into huge washing containers filled with water, and vibrating belts make sure every bit of dirt is removed. This isn't just a quick rinse. Machines are constantly cleaning hundreds of pounds of potatoes, making sure every fry starts spotless and ready for the next step. After the initial wash, the potatoes are lifted by elevators to specialized peeling machines. Here, the process is incredibly precise, removing only the skin without wasting any of the potato's flesh. Considering that millions of fries are produced every day, every inch of potato counts. Cutting into perfect fries. Now comes the magic that gives McDonald's fries their signature look. Peeled potatoes move into high-tech cutting machines fitted with water knives that slice them at 60 to 70 miles per hour. This ensures each fry is uniform in size and shape, which is key to achieving that iconic crispy exterior and soft interior. After cutting, the fries are automatically sorted by size and shape. Any fries that are broken or misshapen are removed, while the perfect ones move on to the next stage. This meticulous sorting ensures that every batch meets McDonald's exact standards. The cutting machines can process up to 1.5 million pounds of potatoes per day, which is enough to make fries for millions of meals across the globe. Special treatments for flavor and color. Some fries get a special treatment to enhance both flavor and appearance. They're soaked briefly in a mix of sugar and sodium pyrophosphate. The sugar helps them achieve that perfect golden brown color, while sodium pyrophosphate prevents the fries from turning gray or brown, keeping them visually appealing whether frozen or fried. Before they reach the fryer, the fries are partially boiled, which might seem unusual, but this step is crucial. It softens the potatoes inside so that when fried, the exterior becomes crispy, while the interior remains soft and fluffy. Half frying for perfection. The fries then move to the boiler for half frying, a step that locks in flavor and texture. During this process, some water and starch are removed, resulting in fries that are light, crispy, and ready for finishing at the restaurant. The oil used is a carefully blended mix of canola, corn, soybean, and hydrogenated soybean oils, chosen to avoid trans fats and cholesterol. After frying, the fries are air-dried for 5 to 10 minutes to remove extra oil, leaving them ready for quick freezing. Freezing is essential. It preserves the fries' taste, texture, and golden color, making sure they stay perfect from the factory all the way to your plate. Packing and distribution. Once the fries are frozen, they're carefully packaged and loaded into temperature-controlled trucks to keep them fresh during transport. These trucks then deliver the fries to McDonald's restaurants across the country, ensuring that every fry arrives hot, crispy, and ready to cook. Imagine this. McDonald's moves millions of pounds of fries every single day, all while maintaining consistent quality. That's like transporting enough fries to feed over 3 million people daily. It's amazing how technology and logistics work together to make sure that from factory to restaurant, the fries stay perfect and delicious. Efficient onion processing. McDonald's doesn't just master potatoes, they've perfected onion prep too. Advanced machines can peel and cut onions of any size or shape, handling the tough outer layers with ease. Once peeled, the onions are cut precisely to fit perfectly on burgers or sandwiches. Manual checks follow to make sure no bad onions slip through, keeping quality consistent. These onions are then quickly frozen and packaged, ready to be used in restaurants. A single McDonald's kitchen can use over 1,000 pounds of onions per week, and thanks to these machines, staff don't have to spend hours chopping and peeling. Fish packaging precision. The fish for McDonald's sandwiches, like the Filet-O-Fish, is handled with incredible accuracy. Machines automatically portion and package each piece to exact specifications, making mistakes extremely rare. Just about 0.001%. Each machine is rigorously tested over hundreds of cycles to ensure flawless performance. This precision guarantees that every fish fillet is consistent in size, shape, and quality, so your sandwich tastes perfect every time. It's fascinating to see how automation ensures speed, efficiency, and reliability, keeping McDonald's standards high while processing millions of meals daily. Apple processing for desserts. Even apples for McDonald's desserts go through high-tech processing. Machines first sort out any bad apples, then remove the skins, and finally turn the good ones into smooth, sweet puree. This puree is used in pies, muffins, and other treats, giving desserts that signature flavor. The apple skins aren't wasted. They're often used as animal feed, showing how McDonald's works to minimize food waste. Did you know? Some McDonald's facilities can process over 10,000 apples per hour, turning them into fresh, ready-to-use ingredients for desserts nationwide. Automated pancake production. It's not just fries and toppings. Pancakes are also produced with precision and speed. Automated lines handle everything from pouring the batter to cooking and shaping the pancakes. They move through molds and ovens, coming out golden, fluffy, and perfectly uniform. After cooking, the pancakes are stacked neatly and packed for shipment to restaurants. Fun fact: a single automated pancake line can produce thousands of pancakes per hour, ensuring breakfast is quick, consistent, and delicious for customers everywhere. This level of automation guarantees that every pancake is just right, every time. The next time you bite into a McDonald's French fry, remember, it's the result of millions of pounds of potatoes, advanced machines, and careful planning, all working together to give you that perfect fry every single time.